Hello guys, I'm outside. I'm putting lights. Look at that. That's a pretty color. Yan guys, so yan ang decoration namin for men. Yan ako lang mga kulay lang ng ano. And look at the clouds. It's so pretty. Look at that. Look, so pretty. So look at that. Another pine tree. And look at the clouds. So beautiful. And that's our house. Look. Yeah. So beautiful. Look, it's a nice day, but it's freezing outside. Look at this side here. There's more. See, it's 2 p.m. now. See, lagyan yan ng ano guys, Christmas lights. See. Ayan. Yan, nandito ako sa labas, maglagay ako ng mga Christmas lights sa mga bushes. Wow. See, beautiful. This one, I like this. Fall season. Yeah, this one guys, na-trim ko na. Yeah, lagyan ko na ng Christmas lights. And this one also. Yan. Yeah, lagyan ko ng Christmas lights. This one guys, okay, yeah, see, I already trimmed the bushes. Yan. Ito ang lalagyan ko ng Christmas lights. This one here. This one here. And over here. This one, oh, may ano dito that one also. And this one, oh, hindi ko na lang gitrim kasi ano yan, it's pretty. Yan. See? This is gonna be all Christmas lights here. That over there. That over there. Look at the lawn, guys. See, nice and green. See, ako yan guys, ang ako yung mag-mow sa lawn, see? It's a good exercise also. Yeah, yan. Yan ang parang money tree yan. I'm not sure ano yan. Yan. See, yung ano namin, yung palm tree. Yung palm trees namin ay mayroon ng ano siya, may lights na. Ito naman ang lemon for this year. See? It's November 2024. See, marami ng bunga. Nag-yellow na kasi it's a citrus. So, this is for December. Yeah, look at that on the ground. See? There's a big one here. Look, it's a big one. There's more here. Look at that. Look at. Nako. Maraming naitapon na. Tinapon ko yung iba kasi ano sa sobrang dami. That was last year pa. Yun. This year. My lemon tree. See how ang tayog, no? Diba? Ang daming bunga doon, ah. May bunga pa din. Paano ko yan maputol? Ang layo. See, look. So pretty. Look. Look at niyo yun sa lemon, guys. Look. Mahal ito, ah. Mahal ito sa tindahan namin. Siguro mga 3, 4 $1. There's more here. Look at that. Look. Marami guys, oh, look. Ang dami, no? Look. This one here. Yeah, that's a big one. Tsaka marami di akong kalamansi, oh. Sa backyard na ko. Hindi ko ito, pag minsan guys, if may maghingi, sinabihan ko na lang na, okay, kuha lang kayo sa puno. Kasi makita nila na maraming lemon din. Magawa na sila ng lemonade. Ayan. Ding, ding, ding. Parang nagduyan-duyan na. Tarara. Hindi ko ito pinutol. Sabi ko ni Habi, wag mong putili niya na. Kasi parang nag-ano eh. Shout out sa mga Pauline MM Vlog supporters. Shout out to Bush Jessie Penario, my member super chatter. Shout out to Isa Channel, my member super chatter. Shout out to my sister, my Melly Vlog. Shout out to Mark and Melly Channel. Yan o. Para maano yung malaglag yung mga dry leaves. Kaya nga ginaganon ko. Okay guys, I have to go inside. It's freezing. Okay guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching.